Oke guys, kita kedatangan mobil Honda Mobilio. Di sini kita lagi ada proses pembongkaran. Nah, kita ada project pemasangan peredam. Peredam itu kita pakai brand Noisekill untuk dipasang di bagian lantai. Ini sudah kita bongkar. Nanti ini sampai ke area rear fender. Kemudian kita pasang juga di peredam atap. Nah, untuk peredam lantai kita menggunakan Noisekill tipe NK03. Ini peredam triple layer, jadi sudah ada treatment akustik. Tipenya akustiknya itu foam busanya isolator. Jadi di sini sangat efektif untuk mengurangi road noise. Nanti jadi kita pasang ini sampai ke ujung kaki di bawah kolong dashboard sampai ke rear fender sini. Nah, untuk bagian atap kita pakai treatment dari NK60. Nah, untuk NK60 kita pasang nanti di bagian atap sini guys. Kemudian sebelum kita pasang, kita bersihkan semua agar peredam itu menempel sempurna ke bagian plat mobil.
Oke, customer Mobilio ini juga ada selain pemasangan full peredam, dia juga ada pengupgradean di bagian audionya, yaitu yang pertama dari brand Flux. Yang jelas prosesornya pakai Flux Project 4i ya, dia sudah 6 channel Project 4i. Habis itu speaker Flux Neo 261 ya untuk two-way depannya, dan ada penambahan subwoofer kolong dari Pioneer. Dia sudah kelas D, jadi untuk subwoofernya dia suaranya lebih empuk.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving, it's got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me. Let's not waste time, or take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. Better than two. Leaves ain't waiting.
First I was afraid, I was petrified. I kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I'd known for just 1 second you're back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door and just turn around now. I 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I crumble? Did you think I lay down and die? Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. It took all the strength I had not to fall apart. I kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart.
From my bedroom down to the ground. Say there's blues in my house, from my bedroom down to the ground. And it's blues everywhere, 'cause my good man has left this town.
Don't you break down on me. Don't you break down on me. If it's my turn to suffer, if it's my time to pay, more than any other, you're my saving grace. Whatever it is, don't you break down on me. Not when I'm here so